In this video, I'll show you how to put picture on the keyboard in your Android phone. So at first, open up your keyboard app. In my phone, default keyboard is Redmi keyboard. So just open up keyboard app in your phone. Then just go to settings option. Then go to theme. Then just tap on new theme option. After open the new theme, here you can see background image option. So just tap on this image icon. Then choose any option, camera or gallery. I am opening the gallery. And then choose any image. Then tap on done. Give it a moment. And then crop your image. Then just tap on crop. And that's it. You can see on the keyboard background a image has been added successfully. Here you can see a brightness slider, and from here you can increase or decrease your image brightness. Then just tap on save. If you want to apply it, then you have to just tap on save and apply, and it's complete. And that is how you can put picture on the keyboard in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.